those cute faces. Hi, Addie. Hi, Emmy. Hi, Ben. Hi, Almo.
Hi.
Hi, Leon. Hi, Ava. Hi, Ruby. Oh, let's see. Oh, who's that? Who's that? I see. Let's see. I see. Who do I see? Mackenzie. I see Mackenzie. I see Fairuza. I think I see Fairuza. And let me go on and welcome you all to our new science lesson of the day, of the week. And let me get started. I went too far though. My little show went too far. All right, there we go. We're ready to start. We have a lot to do today. So before we jump into it, I have one quick announcement, and that is, oops, hold on, let me let someone in. Our quick announcement is, oops, wait, so much going on. All right, our quick announcement is testing is next week for full-time students, not part-time, not home education, but full-time students, which is most of you. However, here's the big announcement. Mrs. Cruz is still waiting to hear what to do. So what I need you guys to do is to double check that you can get into Clever and that you can access the big R, Renaissance, and look for the test. It's called STAR, I think. If anyone has an issue getting into Clever or to Renaissance to find the STAR testing. STAR testing is for K through 2. So don't look for any other test, look for that one. Might have a different name, it might say Flickers, but it should say STAR. I'm gonna rely on you because guess what? Mrs. Cruz can't even get into it. I can only see your names and passwords. I can't see the test at all. They won't even show me the test. So you guys need to let me know if you have access to it. I will be texting each parent individually to make sure that you do have access to Clever first and then into the big R, Renaissance, to find the STAR testing. We need to make sure you can get in. I'm hoping that later today I can at least give you guys some tentative times. All right, so that's my big announcement. All right, you don't have to write anything in the chat. We'll just keep going. Here we go. What are we doing today? First, we're going to go over our promise. Where is my teacher helper, Miss Addie? Go for it.
Participate, be respectful, on time, mute, and include full name, and stay in your seat, and eyes on me.
Woo, that was fabulous. Here's a muffin.
But why didn't you choose me?
Leon, please stay muted so you don't end up not being a showcase student, okay? I know you want to click the unmute button, but each time you do that, you're breaking our promise, okay? Don't do it. Nobody do it. Nobody. Okay, now, thank you, my love bug. We're going to move on to take turns and share and being respectful. Oh, the countdown to mute. That's if we're all talking and you hear me start to count down, and keep your eyes on the screen. So now we need some new names. And in 2 more days, you're going to see maybe the same names, maybe some new names. We're going to be looking for 3 spotlight friends. Who is an awesome Zoom promise keeper? That means they don't unmute, interrupt, talk over anyone, you know, make sure that you respect the promise and respect others, all that. Keep your eyes on the screen, participate, all that. The whole promise, you keep it all the time. And wait, I have something to show you. I might have a sneak preview for someone who's writing amazingly detailed responses. Once again, that means more than 1 sentence, doesn't it? Yeah. And then the last person, somebody who's working hard and keeping up with all of it. Look, I have a showcase already. I don't know if this person's going to end up on my spotlight list, but look, this is one of your classmates. They fill in all the lines. They use lots of details. This happens to be a science lesson. I'm seeing a lot of you guys start to really put in interesting details, facts, information, and not just write one-word sentences. No, right? One sentence. No one words, no one sentences. Write as much as you can. Okay, I just wanted to show that off. I thought that was super impressive. All right, Addie, you're back. Ready, set, go.
Today is Tuesday, September 13, 2022.
Excellent. Pew, pew, pew. Starbursts. All right, what are we doing today? Thank you, Miss Addie. All right, we are going to, wait, is this the right one? Yes, we're going to observe changes to liquid as it's heated and cooled. We have to be able to describe the different states of matter. This is going to be part of your, your learning. You need to remember some of this for your upcoming DBAs, and it's also going to be in your module exams. And it's just information you need to know, okay? First thing I'm going to talk about is what is matter? Whoops, go back. Where'd you go, Mrs. Cruz? Oh, she went so fast. She goes too fast. Too fast for Mrs. Cruz. Can you believe that? All right, let's try that again. Let me try that again. What is matter made of? Matter is made of tiny little things called atoms. Atoms. Look. The atoms family. This is I'm going to read part of this or sing part of it to you. So you remember what matter is made of. Ben, you looking? Here we go. The atoms family. They are so small. They're like a ball. They make up the air. They're everywhere. Can't see them all. They're tiny and they're teeny, much smaller than a beanie. They never can be seeny, the atoms family. They are so small, they're like a ball. They make up the air, they're everywhere. I can't see them all. I'll read one more and then we'll be done. Ready? Together they make gases and liquids like molasses and all the solid masses, the atoms family. They are so small, they're like a ball. They make up the air, they're everywhere, can't see them all. Ding. So if you ever wonder, well, what is matter? What's it made of? How does this thing stay together? It's called atoms, A-T-O-M-S. Now I wanted to show you, this is going to be something that you're going to do and draw, so hang tight. Miss Teacher Helper, can you see the little red balls on my screen? Yeah, awesome. Okay, look at the three little balls at the top. There are three views. Oh, you guys got to look. Don't look the other way. I see eyeballs that are not on the screen. Oh, I'm gonna come get your eyeballs. Look at those little circles. Yeah, look at the first circle with the little balls bouncing around. Those are called atoms. And that is a picture of gas. Yeah, that's how far apart those atoms are spaced. Look at the blue one. Oh, I'm sorry?
I can't see it.
You can't see the little red balls bouncing around?
Me neither.
Okay, yeah. Hold on. I got you. Thank you for telling me. Hold on. I'm coming back to you. Ready, set.
There we go.
There.
Yay! Thank you. You rock. Thank you very much. All right, first little circle. Microscopic view of gas. Look how far apart they are. And look at the middle circle. That's liquid. Those atoms are a little closer together. And then look at the last circle on the right. They're all packed together. They're smushed. Look how tightly packed those atoms are. That's what makes up matter. Did you know your body looks like that too? Anything solid, pick it up and show me something solid, quick. It looks like that last circle inside if you were to get a high-powered microscope. Yes! Which circle would it look like? Would it look like gas, liquid, or solid atoms? It would look like the circle on the right, the packed tight. Now listen, particles in a gas are really well separated, and liquids in the middle are close together, but they're not like perfectly arranged and nice and tight. And then the solid ones, they're tightly packed, usually in a nice pattern. So I want you to remember one little thing. You ready? The solids, hold on, Mackenzie, you got to hear this. Ready? The solids, they jiggle. Okay? They jiggle, but they don't flow. They jiggle, but they don't blow. My solid jiggle, jiggle. Right? That's right. So solids kind of jiggle around a little bit, but they can't flow like liquid or blow like gas. That's right. All right. My atoms, they jiggle, jiggle. You got it? All right, good. Now that we've gone over atoms, I want you to remember those 3 circles because you're going to be drawing that. So let me go back to our PowerPoint and then we're going to run to our Nearpod and get that done. Wait, go back to mute and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Look how fast he is. Super science vocabulary. Practice these words. Make sure they're in your responses. Use them around dinner time. Talk about matter, liquid, solid, gas, observations, data, substance, characteristics, water vapor, evaporation, volume. Yeah, you're practicing volume, container, and now our new word, atoms. Let's Nearpod. Go, go, go. Hi, Mackenzie.
Can you put it in the chat box?
Yep, sure can. Thank you for checking.
I need to see the Nearpod.
Oh, hold on. You're right, you can't. You can't see it. I'm gonna help. Now can we see it? Yay, okay. So what are the different states of matter? That is our question. Matter is everywhere. What are the 3 states of matter? Who wants to tell me? Oh, look at that, look at that. Who's that? Desiree, what are the 3 states of matter?
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Woo, that was amazing. Good work. Let's give her a wave for the liquid. Very nice. Okay, solids, good. Solids have atoms that are closely packed together. Remember how packed together they were? And they were in a nice, like lined up pattern. Liquids, atoms are close, but they still kind of move around a little bit. And gases are really spread apart. So, question. Air is a gas. Yeah, breathe it. You're breathing gas right now. What are some ways we can see air? Hi, Frank. Hi, Isabella. Hi, Faruza. Hi, Isaac. Thank you for joining me today. What are some ways we can see air? See air. Oh, I've got one. Has anybody ever been where it's cold out or when it's super cold out? Yeah. So what about look up in the sky? What's a way that you can see the air? What if it's mixed? Oh yeah, in a balloon. Very nice. Mixed. Very good. That's what I was going to say. Very good. Oh, yep. That's exactly what I was going to say. Look at that. Mine says mixed with water vapor. Oh, very nice. Yep. Oh, look at you with the wind. Yeah, very good. These are excellent responses. Let me give you all some hearts before we move on. These are ways that we can observe air. Nice. Excellent. You can observe it with other parts of your senses, but they wanted to know about how to see it. What are the 3 states of matter? Oh, remember Desiree's answer? Go ahead and type those in as fast as you can. What are the 3 states of matter? Fayruza, do you know? Can you tell me?
The 3 states of matter is solid, gas, and liquid.
Excellent. Oh, that's wonderful. Let me give you a puffy cloud. That's fabulous. Thank you. Oh, look at all the answers coming in. Nice job. Let's see, I've got Ben, Frank, Addie, Leon, Isaac, Emmy. Oh, go ahead, Ava. Mackenzie's, Desiree.
I don't remember it.
Go ahead. Do you remember some of them? Okay, you ready? You ready? Solid, liquid, gas. Is that good? Do you like that? Solid. And then you can do the wave for liquid and then like a puffy cloud for gas. That's the way I remember it. All right, excellent work. Look at you guys, very nice. Yep, I see it, Ava. Very good, guys. All right, fast as I can, let's move on. Probably won't watch all of this, but let's see what they tell us about the 3 states of matter. 3 states of matter. It's coming.
Welcome to 3-2 Wonder. I'm Dr. Jeff, and this is my lab. Today, we're going to study the science of solids, liquids.
That's one way to remember.
And gases.
Ew.
That stinks. Come on, let's explore. We'll discover that solids keep their shape. Liquids take the shape of their container, and gases fill their container.
Oh, there's the balloon.
3, 2, Wonder!
Let me skip ahead a little bit.
Sounds awesome. All right, here we go. Hit it. Now let's check it out in super slow motion.
Whoa, I wonder why the oobleck does that. At first it looks like a liquid, then it looks solid. So is it a solid or liquid?
To find out, we have to learn about matter.
Matter is anything that has weight and takes up space.
Like you guys.
Like me.
That's right. Our bodies are made of matter, but matter is literally everything around us. Things like cars, trees, rivers, clouds, the food we eat, and the air we breathe. It's all matter.
What about the music we listen to? Like my favorite song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm. It's about his love for chicken parm sandwiches.
Actually, things like songs, feelings, and dreams are not matter because they don't have any weight and they don't take up any space.
We get it.
Matter comes in 3 main forms.
Solids, liquids, and gases.
What exactly is the difference?
To find out, it's time for us to go into our imaginations. Follow me! All right, I recently updated this thing, so hopefully it still works.
What do you mean by hopefully?
Well, we'll either end up in a land full of fun and wonder, or we'll end up on the moon!
Oh no.
Either option sounds like a great day to me.
Then what are we waiting for? Here we go!
Oh my goodness.
3.
Let me skip ahead.
I love this place.
Ow, 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 I love my mouth.
Okay, what just fell on him? Liquid, solid, or gas? Who knows it? Who knows it? Olmo, what was it?
Solid.
Solid, very good. Those things are tightly packed together. They have their own shape. Excellent job. Let's do another one. Hold on. I have to move faster. Go, go, go. Oh, he's getting rained on. Oh, wait, look at that. We have to see what this is.
I think it's a liquid because it doesn't keep its shape.
Have you guys ever done
Let's
flubber?
remember what we learned today.
We
Oh, we should try that one day.
Does the slime keep its shape?
Slime or flubber.
Definitely not. So it's a liquid.
That's right.
All this talk about liquids makes me have to use the bathroom.
Oh, oh no.
Can the guy get some privacy?
Okay, let's move to the next part.
Bubbly water. Dr. Jeff, look at these tiny bubbles.
Oh no! Look, Isaac, he just got sprayed by all the
I should have brought
liquid.
a raincoat.
EJ is right. Bubbly water contains lots of bubbles, and each one of those bubbles is like a container filled with gas.
Did you
It's
guys
time
think
to
of
go
that?
back to the
Bubbles.
lab.
That's one
But
way to
first-
see air. Gas. All right, let's stop sharing and go back over to our Nearpod. Hold on. And we will finish up our lesson. Let's go right here. Okay. Let's see if you guys can do some matching, and I'll help you with this. Who's the fastest matcher in the world? Match the image, the picture, with the characteristics of the atoms or matter in each state. So the first box says atoms are close, but they still move around. Then there's a picture of what? Water, right? And then it says atoms are closely packed together and don't move around much. They only jiggle. Then we have a picture of steam. And then we have one in the middle, says the characteristics of atoms in each state of matter. So it gives the 3 states of matter. And look at the picture next to it. Gas, liquid, solid. And I can't wait to see your answers. Then we have a picture of baseball. And the last one says atoms are spread out and move around freely. Okay, let's see how you did. Oh, you got, oh my goodness, Ben, Ruby, how fast you guys are. Yeah, excellent. Oh, Frank and Leon already done. There goes Ava. Woohoo, it's okay. You're learning. You're learning. Oh, there goes Fayruza and Desiraya. I love this matchup thing. You know that. All right, answers are coming in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Answers. See if you got them right. You know you did. 3 characteristics of atoms in each state of matter, the 3 states. And then a solid is baseball, the water. The water, the atoms are close to each other in matter, but they still move around. They flow. And then, of course, atoms are spread out, move around freely in gas. They blow around. All right, let's try the next one. I think we're getting close to the end, guys. Does anybody want to tell me what the difference between a liquid and a solid is? Using your best vocabulary. What is different about a liquid and a solid? Oh, let's see. I actually see a hand too. Who wants to talk me through it? Ooh, Desiree, I see your hand. Go for it. What is different between a liquid and a solid?
It's different because a solid is like, it's really hard, but it melts when you like put something in it.
And what about liquid? What does liquid do? What's that like?
Liquid is like when the ice melts, it becomes liquid.
And what does that
then
do?
It makes something.
Do this with me. Ready? Watch me. Flow. It flows. Yeah, that's right. So you can explain that. Liquid's different because it flows and it doesn't have its own shape, does it? Thank you, Desiree. Go ahead and mute up. And let's, oh, whoa. Mrs. Cruz, you always go too fast. slowing down. Let's read the answers. Liquid can flow and a solid cannot. Oh, there's our word flow. That the solid atoms are stuck together. Very good. Liquids are bumping, but they do flow, right? Atoms move in liquid. Oh, look, Emmy, you used our new vocabulary word. Excellent. Liquid takes the shape of the container. Almost very nice. And when liquid melts, when ice melts, it becomes liquid. Very good. That's an example of a solid changing states of matter. Isabella, liquid flows and solids stick together. Ruby, a liquid does not have a shape and solid has a shape. Yes, that's right. We just did some lessons about explaining that solids have their own defined shape. Very good. Leon, ice melts, turns into liquids. I like that. Liquid has no shape liquid has no shape and solid has a shape. That's right, Isaac. You guys are so good. The ice melts, says Leon, and turns to liquid. And Desiree says liquids are like ice, melting, and solids have a shape. And when you put water in a freezer, it turns to solid. Very nice. Okay. Remember the dots? Remember the little circles? It's your turn to draw them. What do atoms look like in gas, liquid, and solid? Think back to those red circles, and it showed the picture of what atoms look like and why they flow, blow, and are solid and don't move. Go ahead, Ava.
Do we have to like draw the picture of the gas and the liquid and the solid?
Remember those little red dots? Yeah, go ahead. I'm gonna go see. Oh my goodness. Look at that. What a great representation. Very good. Oh, look at that. I can see Miss Addie. Do you know what she's doing in her solid circle? Is she's lining up those atoms because she remembered that they're not only so tightly packed, but they're in rows or some sort of pattern. Yeah, I like that. Oh, very good. Yes. Oh, look at Ruby. She's got her gases so spread apart. Yeah, very nice. For a solid, the atoms only jiggle. They don't move around. They don't flow or blow. And in the liquids, the atoms are there. There's a lot of them, but they can still flow past each other and move around a bit. And then in gas, they're so far apart. Excellent. Oh, I love this one. This was great. Yep. Ava, your last circle, I bet you can put a whole bunch more dots in there to show just how close together those atoms are in solid. Wow, Ben, that is so good. Isabella, Emmy, Firuza. Oh, I love that pattern. Very nice. Yep, Desiree submitted hers. Almo, Miss Addie's got her pattern lined up. Here comes Mackenzie's and Frank's. Leon, give me lots of dots in that last box. I'm going to show off somebody's right here. Look at Ben's. Isn't that interesting? Look how he's got them all lined up in rows like our other friends did. Excellent. All right, moving on, guys. You can practice this at home on your own. And are we finishing up? Yeah, I'm going to skip this one. Okay. All right, here's our final quiz. Looks like a quiz. What is all matter made of? Air, rocks, atoms, water. What is all matter made of? Everything around you. Is it made of air, rocks, atoms, or water? Pick your answer and then go to your next question. Which of the following is an example of matter? Fruit punch, baseball, water, or a star? select all the answers that look like matter, or examples of matter. It might be more than one answer, guys. What's made of matter? What is made of matter? Everything. Very good. What do atoms look like in a gas? This is the third question. Think about that first circle. What do the atoms look like in a gas? A, they are close together and don't move. B, they are very far apart and move all over the place. C, gases don't have atoms. D, they are very large and stick together. Who thinks they know it? You guys choosing your best answers. I love it. Okay, we're going to move on. That one was question number 3 was, what do atoms look like in a gas? Now you have to think back to that first red circle and what gases look like. Okay, last question. How confident are you now in your ability to explain the different states of matter? Very confident? Somewhat confident, not at all confident. I need lots of help. When I say explain, I mean be able to tell me exactly the difference between liquids, solids, and gas, and also to give examples, use your vocabulary words that you've learned, and write more than one sentence to explain. Do you think you could do that? That would be A. B, if you get some of it. C, if you need lots of help. Okay, let me look at your answers. Yay! Thank you for being honest about it too. If you do need a little bit more practice, you can practice on this Nearpod. Thank you for learning with me. Everybody done? Yeah? Okay, so before we say goodbye, just want to remind you, if you just came on a little bit later on, I had that very important announcement. I need every learning coach and student to go to Clever. Make sure you can access Clever. And from there, look for Renaissance. It's a big R. And then see if you can open that up and see if it gives you the option. I heard there were 2 R's, so look for both. And see if it gives you the option for our STAR test. Mrs. Cruz cannot see your tests. I can't see much of anything except passwords. So, and I'm not ready to give out your passwords until we do the test. So all I can do is rely on you to check for me. And if you can't get into Clever or Renaissance, to either let me know or call tech support right away, because the test will start on Monday. I'll be sending out times so you can join and know what time to come to our test next week. And part B, I heard through the grapevine that there are no live lessons next week. That's right. Everything will stop for the test that we take. Okay. You guys have any questions about, I don't know, matter, my announcements, or want to share anything?